Hi, this is Dr. Thomas Burnett at Regeneration Pittsburgh, and today we're talking with Cindy. Cindy, thanks for offering to share your experience with your regenerative procedure. I've known Cindy for about 3 years, and roughly 2.5 years ago, you came to me with the right knee pain, correct?
Yes.
And just shy of 2 years ago, we did the procedure, the bone marrow aspiration, and then injection into the right knee. So just shy of 2 years, how are you doing now with everything?
I'm great. It's like brand new knee all over again. I can do anything I want, go to the gym, no problems, no swelling, no pain, no grinding. It's a miracle.
That's right. And remind me, were you told to have surgery on the knee?
Yes, they told me I needed a knee replacement. Perfect candidate, and I decided no.
So that's great. It's great that you're doing great. My last question is, would you recommend this procedure to somebody with similar symptoms as you?
Definitely. It's a miracle, and I would recommend it so much that both of my kids have had similar procedures, and they're miracles too.
That's great. Again, thank you so much for offering that. Thanks.